there, Flat Earth Trading Society members. We are on to trade number 61. Well, this is an update for trade number 61. This was our Nvidia trade. This was our trade on AI, and we actually had like 45 stocks to choose from, and we spun the wheel, and it actually landed on Nvidia the day after Nvidia's earnings. Nvidia had a huge jump on earnings, and when we made the trade, we thought, okay, buying a stock after a big pop from earnings, okay, a little dicey sometimes, but the trade has worked out well. We are now at our first profit target, ready to lock in our trailing stop. So here were our numbers on the trade. We entered at 791.28, and our first target was 854.78. Let's take a look at the chart. Here is the daily chart in Nvidia. We got in, I think it was somewhere around here on this day. We had a couple days of a pullback, but you can see we're having a nice run here off this level. I'm going to go into an intraday chart to show you that we hit an intraday high of 855.44. That was the high, 855.44. That is above our first 2x target. So we need to move our trailing stop from a 2x ATR trailing stop to a 1.5x ATR trailing stop. If we get out our trusty calculator app, it's pretty easy. You just take the initial ATR, 3175, times it by 1.5. Our new trailing stop is going to be 47.25. Now, I've already made that change. I made it on my mobile device. It's super easy. We went in, changed it from our initial trailing stop, just simply changed out that amount to 47.25, hit submit. We now have a 1.5x trailing stop in. So at this point, we are guaranteed a profit, but as always, we're going to let this thing run. As long as this wants to run, it's going to run. And I have a feeling, I've been trading stocks for over 25 years now, and there's these certain numbers that people just want to see. Now, just this morning, Nvidia crossed a $2 trillion market cap, which is a metric people like to look at. But I think that this market has $1,000 in its sight. It would not surprise me at all if Nvidia ran to 1,000. Look, I know it's probably already overvalued. There's people on both sides of the trade. I don't care. All I know is things like this, they like to get to round numbers. It would not surprise me at all for it to reach 1,000 and then have a pretty significant pullback after it. But we don't care about that stuff because we are just going to follow our system. This is all what I call cocktail talk. It's fun to talk about, but nothing is going to make us change the system. Even when it gets to 1,000, guess what? We're just going to tighten to a 1 ATR trailing stop and let it run as far as it wants to go. This is systematic trading. Just follow your rules. Goodbye, everybody.